Being diagnosed with cancer, it can definitely be devastating. The first thing that you would want to know is, how can I beat it? Well, our next guest says that he may have some answers for you. Dino Prado, he is the founder and CEO of Envita Medical Center, and he's here to tell us about some cancer treatments that you may not know about. We want to welcome you back to Sonoran Living.
Thanks for having me again.
Now, you've been on, what, 3 or 4 times now?
Yes.
Why do you keep coming back? I mean, what do you think that you guys have to offer that's maybe different than other places out there?
Well, I think the bottom line is patients don't know what all their options are. And in reality, chemotherapy, surgery, and if you will, radiation isn't enough sometimes. It's particularly when, in early cancers, yes, maybe. But when people get more advanced and more developed cancers, it isn't enough. So what do they do? Where do they go? And so what people really don't know is that the rest of the world is so far advanced in cancer treatment to the United States. So how do we provide that technology, and how do we customize the care? That's what we do at Envita, better than anyone else.
Well, you're doing a lot of things that are different, and like you said, you can a lot of times get more help out of the country.
That's right.
So people are coming to you and you're helping them. How are you helping them? Because you do some really different things.
Well, first of all, we have a great team of doctors, locally and internationally. We also have a clinic in Mexico. We have a clinic in the United States. And so we're able to do genetic testing so we know what their cancer is going to respond to. We're also able to take away, if you will, the blocks in their immune system that are stopping their immune system from attacking the cancer. At the end of the day, the immune system is so critical. And it's not just building the immune system, it's removing those particular factors in each patient that's blocking their immune system. Over 10 years of our research has shown that we have found the keys to really unlocking that individual care. Okay. And so if patients use that up front, they're going to have a much better outcome. And so that's why we're here, is really let people know that.
So it's not just a blanket, oh, you have cancer, we treated all these people with this, and we're just going to give this to you too.
It's never like that.
It's individual.
No matter what type, no matter what stage, what development, even if people have all the same things, their cancer treatment is going to be different, because you have to know the genetic information in each person. You have to know how their immune system's responding, and you have to tailor that care. That's what our doctors do a fabulous job of.
Tell me real quick, we were talking in the green room, and you just went to Mexico, where your other office is, and tell me about this one individual.
We had patients coming in that were getting, if you will, they were building a cancer cell vaccine from their own immune system. And really, what was interesting is our biologics team and physicians, international physicians, were able to deplete the areas of their immune system that were blocking their immune system from fighting cancer. So here they are, building a custom treatment that's really one of the finest in the world, and 1 hour from Phoenix, really 1 hour from Arizona.
So they came here, but because the technology is a lot different.
Yes.
Across the border.
They needed it because that technology isn't yet available in the United States. Yes.
I think it's fascinating. I mean, I love that you're coming on and we're wanting to share with people all of the different options.
Well, the goal is to save human life. Who doesn't know somebody who isn't suffering from cancer? And our goal is to provide them the options they need so they can live and have a better quality life.
All right. Well, I hope everyone that's watching, if you know someone, you will at least have them come meet with the doctors over at Envita. All right. We want to tell you about a special offer now. For the first 20 callers, you're going to receive a free personalized preliminary medical review. Envita's team of doctors, they gather your medical history. I mean, they do everything, consultation, and then there's also a book. It's sort of tongue-in-cheek, the Stupid Diet book, but it has so much great information about it. Let's tell you how you can get a hold of the doctor and where Envita is. They're at 8759 East Bell Road in Scottsdale. Here's the most important thing. Just call them at 602-569-4144. Again, 602-569-4144 or Envita.com. Fascinating information.